Good morning, friends. Today is 9th November and I'm Shuchirungta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty gained 85 points on Monday to close at 18,203. Monday, the market opened gap up. Intraday, the bears tried to took control in the first half but could not sustain. The bulls stepped in during the second half of the session and recovered all the intraday fall. I would also like to highlight the volume activity was quite interesting. The fall was on low volumes, whereas when the bull stepped in at the support zones, volume was high and encouraging. The weekly close past 18,100 is a big development which further gets confirmed by the Monday's price action. Given the patterns and placement of indicators, it seems that the market is ready for a quick move of 18,600. On the sectoral front, PSU banks, metal, and the auto were the top gainers. We saw a follow up buying in the metal sector with market breadth studies and sector rotation studies supporting the sector. The upward trend and momentum is expected to continue further in metals. Bank Nifty stays firm and is likely to hit new life highs soon. It should continue to take leadership. We see new life highs past the 41,800 numbers soon. Technically, the last 1 week has been all about creating a foundation. Low volatility and small bars around important resistance is a big takeaway usually. Private banks could take the baton on breakout. The FIIs were buyers of around 1850 crores in cash market. The dollar index breaks the 110 mark and trades below it. India VIX continue to be below 16 and the US indices continue with their recovery. SGX Nifty trades at 18,400, hinting yet another gap up opening. To conclude, we will have a higher opening again and market is ready for 18,600 soon. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 18,100 and 18,000. Resistance 18,360 and 18,600. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,500 and 41,000. Resistance at 41,850 and 41,900. Thank you.